I'm up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1936 Plymouth Sedan, 4.3 V6 in it. Cold AC, runs and drives awesome. This car is fully customized. The interior is all custom. It's a pretty cool looking ride. I'm gonna walk around, point out any kind of flaws. Check that motor out. See the AC compressor sitting there. So I believe it's got front disc brakes, power steering. But I'm gonna walk around and point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're coming to get. I'm doing a test drive video as well. You can check out the ride and drive. I'll link it to the end of this. Let me take my tag off here. But I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws, and we're gonna start up here in the front. Awesome little hood ornament here. Grill looks pretty good. Could be a little better. Looks like a chunk of it's missing at the bottom there. Front bumper. It's got its flaws to it. Little scuffs, little rust popping up on it. You look in the front end of this car, there's a little bit of too much paint put on right there. Some chips right in this area. Headlights look pretty good. There's a scratch right here. Looking over the fenders, it's like they kind of got the paint roughed up in that area there. Around the windowsill, it's missing the rubber or the trim, but they got it all sealed up. Bottoms of the doors look pretty good. Step's been coated. Roof's in good shape. As you can see, there's cracks in this window here. There's a crack running down there, crack running here, and on up. Got the whitewall wheels on it. Trying to get my shadow out of there. A little rough textured paint in the corner here, probably where they tried to spray it. There's a nick in the back. And you can see that trunk lid don't line up perfect. Let's see if it's even locked. It's not even locked. Let's open it up and look inside. So we got the battery back here. It's where you put your gas in the back. Got an Optima battery. Trunk lid don't look too bad. It's been sprayed and coated. It's decent on the inside there. The roof's not too bad. Looking down the body lines, it's nice and straight. Door lines look pretty good as well. Exhaust is coming out the back here. See if it's got it matching on the other side. It is matching on the other side. .3 V6. Like I said, they customized the interior. We're going to go ahead and look at that. It's got a wood panel door. Looks like they didn't finish any of this stuff on top. Weather stripping around the door. Seems like it's been replaced fairly recently. The headliner was completely customized. You can see where they put insulation in between the roof as well. Back seats custom blue. I don't know what they took the seats out of. Looks like these are the engine covers. They got a copper line running, whatever wires they ran. I noticed that. The ignition's right here in the floor, right behind the shifter. You can see wires running into that copper line. Cold AC, custom cup holder. It's like a time capsule, other than all the wood. I'll hop in the inside here. You can see all the gauges were working. The speedometer was about 20 mile an hour off though. We were going 40 and it said we were going 60. Car turns on, just turn the key there. As you can see, our oil pressure's coming up. Water temp, it's still cold right now, right under 150. Voltmeter's coming up. Tachometer was working. Turn the AC on. Blows super cold and hard. Pretty cool little car here. Windshield wipers work. Play that game of stop and go. You can stop it wherever you want. And check this little motor out here. It's like aluminum radiator. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to the test drive on this car. If you have any other questions, you could give us a call, 615-822-4444. Also got 100 detailed pictures of this car, description, pricing, and anything in inventory at MapleMotors.com. You can also check out transportation and finance options there. See, I like to take a test drive, walk around this car, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're coming to get when you get here. This is definitely one of a kind, custom ride up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.